Want to create dramatic scene where your video smoothly changes from full color to black and white? First, open CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery, then tap Add. Now that your video clip is on the timeline, tap your video clip and move the playhead in the position that you want to split the video. Click the split button. It gives you 2 video clips in the timeline. The next step is select the second clip, then tap Adjust. Now, open the saturation setting and drag the slider all the way down to remove all the color. If you like a stronger cinematic look, you can also slightly increase the contrast. To apply it, just simply tap the check button. Once it's done, tap the small transition icon located between the 2 clips. Browse the available transitions and choose a smooth option like fade, dissolve, or mix. You can also adjust the duration to control how quickly the video changes from color to black and white. Before exporting, don't forget to preview your video. And that's how you create a transition from color to black and white in CapCut Mobile. Every transition tells a story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy editing. God bless you.